Every strong home begins with a solid foundation, and it starts with preparing the land.
Line straight, let's dig. Got it, I'll spot the depth. Trench is forming. Easy now, get it level. All right, snapping the first line, got it. Marking 24 inches, good. Next one here. Set that block right here, got it. Lifting the beam now, perfect, keep it steady. Make sure you get all the corners. Yeah, I'm on it. This oil's going on smooth. Good, we need a clean release. Check the level on that edge. It's good. Moving the next sheet. Secure the jack tight. Check the level on that edge. It's good. Moving the next sheet. Okay, lower it down. Got it. Good. Tying this corner now. Looks solid.
Electrical conduits are installed before pouring concrete to hide wiring safely inside. Form a solid surface. First, experts carefully plan and mark the layout for electrical wiring and plumbing pipes according to the house design. Grooves are cut in the walls to install electrical conduits and plumbing pipes safely inside the structure. Electrical conduits and wires are installed to safely deliver electricity throughout the house.
Voltage is good, lights on, water's flowing, no leaks.
Water supply and drainage pipes are carefully installed to ensure proper water flow and sanitation. This completes the electrical and plumbing work, making the house ready for safe and comfortable living.